What's up, everybody? This is the Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to do something I actually did today in my job in the exciting world of corporate accounting / operations. We're going to protect sheets and add timestamps to them. So, jumping right on in. Got a couple items here. Let's say we are at our job, we have a random spreadsheet, and alright, we need people to enter data and we need it to be a very specific way. And we want them to just throw information in a certain place. We don't want anything to change. We are at Excel Dude Company here. We have records, and let's say the sheet needs to be done after a certain amount of times. Okay, so we go here. This is the sheet. It's sheet 1. So we can add a data validation list, which we have another video to drop down. Let's say it's the first record. Okay, first one of the day, cool. And they'll put their name in here. They can do whatever. But maybe someone does it here or there. You don't want them to do all of that stuff. So a couple things you can do. The first is you select everything you want to be able to change. So let's say all we want them to do is enter quantities. We highlight that. We just hold Control. Click on these. We want them to enter a date and a time. And the record number. And then performed by, that kind of stuff. So we highlight the stuff we want to be able to change. Hit Control 1. And then you're going to change this from locked. So it will be defaulted to locked actually. So when you hit Control 1, you're going to get your formatting, all this stuff. So all you're going to do here, you go to protection, it'll be locked by default. You're going to unclick that, hit OK. Then we will go right up here to review, protect sheet. We'll add a password. So we're going to protect worksheet and the contents of locked cells, which is why we checked unlocked in the other ones. We selected the unlocked cells. So we're going to, let's make a password. We're going to be really creative with it, and we're going to type in password with a capital P. Password. FYI, never do that. Ever. Please, for your sake, for my sake, for everyone's sake. Password. Okay. And there we go. So you'll see we're trying to click somewhere else. We want to change stuff. Hey, why can we only go to the stuff that it lets us touch? Great. You've got yourself a spreadsheet that can't be altered in any way that you want it altered outside of, really. So let's say we do a name here. Excel Dude. Oh man, I wanted to add something else. I can't. Okay. Location ABC. And the project is project 74. Okay. Then go here. A date. So you'll see I have Control and the colon clicked there. All you have to do is hit Control, I guess it'd be semicolon here. But if you want to add a timestamp, Control, semicolon, boom, today's date. You want to, you see you got a little formatting issue there. So all you'd have to do, change that, Control 1, format it, to be a date and all that. But anywho, you can do this with time as well, Control Shift, same thing, 2:46 p.m. See, you get all these things. You can enter this, the quantity, 1, 7, whatever, You can do all this good stuff. As you do that, you go right on down here, performed by Excel Dude. And guess what? They'll save it, they'll move on. This is going to be the new blank one. So you've got no issues in terms of somebody changing stuff. Right here you have some silly stuff in terms of formatting, but it's really not too crazy. I mean, all we'd have to do is this. We undo the protection again, change the formatting, and that's it. So we just didn't change it the first time. That's not a huge problem as long as you format before you lock it. Or you can just undo the lock, and guess what? You are problem solved again. So that's it. We'll do password, unprotecting, guess what? Number, and we'll do this. So, date, and you'll see we do time. And then we go right on back in here, review, protect the sheet. Problem solved. And there you go. You've got yourself an uneditable sheet that you can send off to people, and you can let them touch exactly what you want touched and not touch the things that don't need to be changed. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.